markets are just not on the trading charts anymore. From the charts to trades over coffee, finance is finding different and creative ways to engage with people. Well, today we are at the Traders Theme Cafe, where conversations of finance are as common as cappuccinos. Let's explore more. Well, to know more about this creative cafe, we have a very special guest with us, a CA, a marketing head, but on the top of all that, he is the CEO and founder of FinX Commune. You can see it in my hand how creative he is. Thank you, Ronak, for inviting us and talking about this creative theme which you have. We are sitting here. It's a private room where you can trade, you can binge watch with your friends, you can eat these wonderful dishes, and on top of that, the wonderful dishes have wonderful names as well. Liquid acids, smoothie index. How bullish are you on your restaurant? Let's start with that. And how did the idea come up, like in your mind? What were you thinking actually?
I was actually not thinking anything, and that is how this idea came up.
Okay,
This idea came up when I was on a holiday.
very nice.
I was sitting at a cafe, and I've been into stock markets, worked with stock markets since so many years. So just the idea struck there that we can make all the holidays, all the chill moments also productive if we have cafes, which gives an experience of trading. A cafe dedicated for traders, for finance enthusiasts. और वहाँ से ये आइडिया स्टार्ट हुआ.
That's wonderful. So, were you like in stock markets before also? Were you always interested in stock markets? This was your one-time goal to open a cafe where specifically you themed it as a traders cafe?
So, stock markets, I've been working into stock markets for more than 10 years. चॉइस ग्रुप के साथ मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, वेरियस रोल्स में काम किया है मैंने ऑलरेडी. तो स्टॉक मार्केट तो हमेशा से इंटरेस्ट था ही, बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट था. एंड पर्सनल लेवल पे मैं एक बहुत बड़ा फूडी हूँ. मुझे बहुत पसंद है खाना और खिलाना लोगों को. ठीक है, हॉस्पिटैलिटी इज़ वन थिंग विच आई लव टू होस्ट पीपल. तो वन फाइन डे द आइडिया स्ट्राइक कि ये दोनों चीज़ कंबाइन हो गई. दिमाग में आइडिया स्ट्राइक हुआ कि क्यों ना एक ऐसा कैफ़े बनाया जाए जो स्टॉक मार्केट ट्रेडर्स के लिए, फाइनेंस एंथुसियास्ट के लिए डेडिकेटेड हो.
Well, so what are the responses? So, it's been a 1 month since you opened this cafe, and it's in middle of a very good location in Mumbai as well. And as of course, Mumbai is the financial capital of India. So, I would like to know how is the response we are looking. Are the people coming in with which are very business oriented mindset and having or talking with their friends about business? What's your idea of that? How is the response looking?
Response has been amazing till now. There are a lot of traders coming in, sitting here throughout the day, doing trading. Now, different people who have came up here as an individual trader have now become friends. They trade together. Okay. So during market hours, we have a lot of people who come here now regularly to trade, who were sitting at home and doing trading. So people are becoming friends, and that was the idea कि एक community जो stock market की community है, finance की community, उनको एक साथ में लेके आया जाए. Let's bring them on one platform so that they can interact.
Finance is not only at the bookish level now, all the chat screens are the home. Now they have found a new way to engage people, especially in cafes. So what's your idea going forward, Ronak? Are you planning on expanding your business to much more? Let's talk about first of all in Mumbai or outside Mumbai also.
Yeah, we are in plan to rapidly expand this cafe, this concept that we have came up with. So first, हमारा hub खुद का मुंबई है. So मुंबई में हमने start किया है ये first, and then we are coming up with 2 more outlets very soon in Mumbai, in different locations of Mumbai. And we are planning it to expand multiple cities very soon. Our target is to go 100 plus outlets in next 5 years.
Oh, wonderful. That's wonderful. So tell me one thing. If the markets are bearish, do you sell more coffees then? Where do the people like, how is that?
So if the markets are bearish, we give them a discount because the people are sad, so there is either a discount or a free dessert or something like that.
Actually, you can see the real emotions where the market's up down as the fluctuations, the mood, the real mood swings. I think you can see it here, especially when something big happens or any company falls or goes up. Then you can see how people are like literally. And I think when people sit here, hours passes like anything because you don't know when you're trading inside it. So, what are the trends which we are looking? How did you study the trend in the Gen Z, especially which have come into the financial world? And what was your mindset also to like encourage people to come into the financial world, or what are the trends you're looking for?
A very interesting question. So this was a part of our research that we did before finalizing this concept and validating this concept. Okay.
Okay.
So Gen Zs nowadays are looking at trading as a professional career. Like people used to look at doctors, engineers, CAs. Now trading is a career. They want to become trader, full-time trader. Okay, there are no colleges or institutions as such for traders to become a trader. Okay, so if someone is a doctor, they know 100, 200 other doctors, engineer knows other engineers. But a trader, how does a trader meets other traders? Okay, so they meet here at FinX Commune because it is a platform where traders are coming together, trading, okay, here sitting with each other, and that is how they know each other. And trading is never done via bookish knowledge. It's always practical. People learn. It's a constant learning. Markets always make you learn daily new things, and that is how you trade the markets. So that is what this platform is for.
You're bringing all the people together when
Yeah.
it comes to trading because it seemed like a very lone activity where you just sit all day when the market opens till the market closes. You sit on the computer, binge watch. Like I don't think even binge watching. It's like eyes on
On the screen continuous.
on the screen continuously. But here you can meet people, you can talk to people, and of course you can see what else is in the market. Share your interest.
And in markets, there are always such conversations. What do you think? Nifty kahan jayega? Which stocks look good to you? This is happening in this company. What do you think? It will go up or down? This has happened. ये announcement आया है इसके बारे में. So where do you discuss all these things? You discuss here.
Yeah, and I looked at your menu also. Bullish brews, traders tea, iced tea culture, ITC. Oh wow, the hot stock. So where did it all come? Like how did it all come? Because I was also looking when I was coming to your cafe. I was looking on your menu. I looked at only the uh, dishes, the name of the dishes. But here when I saw it, your menu is full of triple bottom, triple top. So how interesting. Were any designers there, a concept? How did the design, like everything is you, one man army?
No, it's my team, of course. It's all a teamwork. See, one man army is very difficult when you want to grow something at a larger scale.
Bollywood.
Yeah. So it's my team. We have been working hard on this since more than a year now. So we have tried to incorporate very small detailings about stock market and cafe both. It should, when you are here, you should always feel that you are in a trader's cafe or you have been surrounded by the trading related things. That is why we have tried to put small detailings, like in our menus also. There are some strategies that have been given. What are the technical parameters on which you can trade, that has been given. Okay, we have put this small bull as an order number. When you place an order, you get this, okay, from our counter. So these are all small things that enhances the experience when people are here.
Yeah, and I saw there are shelves filled with finance books, monopoly games, traders games, and so much more. That everything around you is
A lot of intellectual games which sharpens your mind, which increases your focus, which is related to business, which is related to money. That is what we talk over here.
especially I'll talk about a personal experience. We come from a business journalism thing, and our office is filled with all the and every time screens you hear it, every kind of companies and what's happening, what's it. But if you want to take a break, as I was telling you, I had my election duty here also. But when you come here, you see interesting a thematic theme which doesn't get you bored. At the same time, it's fun. You can play board games, read books, eat food. That is my one of the favorite thing to do when come in cafe, and especially a coffee. So this is very interesting theme that you look for. I think it's the first finance themed cafe in Mumbai.
Yes, it is the first of its kind. Traders Cafe. This is the first Traders Cafe
That's
anyone has ever seen. It's a concept that we have came up with.
So, do you think that these type of activities, which the business tradings or business engage people each other, do you think more people will come in and join the business trading things and will come with a good business financial knowledge, which of course everyone should have. Everyone thinks that, oh, I should have invested in earlier. Always there is one thing or the other. My father says exact same thing to me also, and to, of course, he thinks about himself also. But as compared to him, I invested way much more earlier than he did, ever did. So what do you think? Is the trend coming in?
See, there's a saying, the best time to start investment was yesterday.
Of course.
Okay.
Of course.
So it's always a good time. Everyone has to start, and people are realizing this. A lot of people are coming into markets, stock markets, or indirectly via mutual funds and various other financial instruments. So this is growing, and it has to grow multifold from here in our country.
Exactly, exactly. So, are we seeing any partnerships? Are you looking for any collaborations in the future so that there are a lot of growth?
Yeah, so we are doing a lot of collabs with different types of brands who are into finance or markets. Okay, we are doing different type of collabs to bring people over here, to pass on the knowledge to them, to give them more awareness about things. So we're doing a lot of collabs with different types of financial institutes.
That's amazing because when it comes to business finance stuff, they always go to the events, collaboration,
Yeah.
and see where the people interest lies, especially in terms of events.
That is why we call this place as commune, FinX Commune. So building the community, the individual people, the brands, the institutions all come together over here and work out the best synergy out of it.
So, do you want to change something or add something in this traders cafe? What could it be?
If I want to change something,
Or add something?
so I would like to add more space, and I would like to add more people over here coming here. I like 20 years back, people used to go to BSC and do trading in the ring. You might have seen in the Harshad Mehta movie or series. That is the kind of vibe I want to add over here.
That's pretty cool. So people were like, I think these kinds of movie only drove people to like invest in markets and come to the business world so that they can look at what the fuss is all about. But I think it's pretty interesting what you are doing here, because sitting here looking through the screens where every time something or the other plays, like we can see the bar here and everything. So it's like pretty cool. So any more projects like cafes or any other thing are in plan, or just focusing on the strategic growth right now?
Right now, the focus is completely on growing this brand, this concept, as we are the first one to introduce this concept, and we want to really expand very fast and get it to every corner of the country, and so that everyone related to stock markets comes at FinX Commune. That should be the one place to go for everyone related to stock market.
Well, it was lovely chatting with you, Ronak, and it was very interesting. Especially your food is amazing. I can't wait to have it. Only the conversation, which was very indulging, was keeping me from the food. But otherwise, amazing, amazing creative theme you got here. Amazing food, amazing screen time, amazing creative. First of all, I love your menu and the bulls, which I can see here. It was amazing. Thank you so much, Ronak. And I will spend more and more time here. Of course,
Please,
checking out
anytime.
all of your menu, eating each and everything, which I'm a big foodie. Of course, we were just chatting about it. So thank you, Ronak. Please tell us more interesting things off the camera also, so that we can enjoy more. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Markets may be volatile, but ideas around the finance like these are diversifying. Well, when the business meets creativity, that's called innovation. In Mumbai, this is Aastha Chopra for Business Today.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.